Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Rob at W-BodyTech, and today we're going to work on the 03 Grand Prix. It's been sitting for a long time. We haven't really done anything with it but show it to you guys. And today we're going to plan on probably power washing the motor, making a parts list, and see how far down we need or want to get into the engine before we continue with the suspension and drivetrain of this car. So let's take a peek. So as you can see, this motor's pretty filthy. It's got 300 and how many miles does this thing have? 300 something. Let's see here. Yeah, 325k. So it's 325,000 original miles on this. So we're going to do is clean this thing up today. I already sprayed some degreaser on this. That's engine, it's safe for electronics and stuff. I'm gonna try to get all this grease off here and find any other leaks I may be hiding. Plan is to take the whole top end off eventually, heads and all. If the pistons and cylinders are good, we leave them alone, and we're just gonna put head gaskets on it, new lifters, new valve springs, clean the valves up, new timing chain, new tensioner, and clean the supercharger out a little bit. May put a new coupler on that too while we're at it. We may put a O-ring on the fuel line hose here, it leaks. We got to put the coil packs back in. I have the Excels. Right now they're in the 05 right now. These are out of my Grand Prix Turbo, but they work. So we're gonna get new Excels, new wires, but not today. Today's just power wash it, clean it up, and see how nice this thing looks cleaned up. We also have this car that we still haven't touched. This one, I promise to get it done soon. As soon as I have time to order the parts and start the rebuild on this one. And then the video for that one is coming. I promise you, the video's done. I just have to edit it and upload to YouTube. You can watch the rebuild and top swap on the 05 Grand Prix. But today, we are going to work on this bad boy. So let's go ahead and start. Spray some of this stuff on here.
you were. But now, it's nothing more than a story. I'll be the villain.
Nice and clean. Way to work. The next thing to do on this thing is the wheel bearings, because they are shot. You're gonna hear that in a minute here. Yeah, you hear that? That's not a good sound.